Hello everyone, I am Dr. M. Harish Babu, Department of Language, Culture and Society, SRMIST RAMAPURAM. In this video, we are going to see the book review by my students on the topic of To Kill a Mockingbird, written by Harper Lee. Here we go.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are here to take a book review for English on the topic How to Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird remains a timeless exploration of justice, empathy, and the loss of innocence in the American South. This presentation delves into enduring power, examining its unforgettable characters, crucial themes, and profound impact on literature and society. Join us on the journey through the heart of Macomb, Alabama, as we unpack the layers of this American classic. From its compelling narrative to its iconic characters, we'll explore why To Kill a Mockingbird continues to resonate with readers worldwide, sparking discussions about morality, prejudice, and courage. Thank you.
Key characters of the heart of Macomb: Scout Finch, Atticus Finch, Jem Finch, Bo Radley, Tom Robinson. Scout Finch, the young spirited narrator whose innocent perspective gradually uncovers the complexities of the adult world and the harsh realities of racial injustice. Atticus Finch, a beacon of integrity and moral courage, Scout father stands against prejudice as he defends an innocent black man, embodying the novel's core values. Jem Finch, Scout's older brother whose journey toward childhood innocence is marked by a painful awakening to the world's unfairness and the deep-seated prejudice of his community. Bo Radley, the mysterious recluse who ultimately teaches Scout profound lessons about empathy and the danger of judging others based on fear and rumor. Tom Robinson, a black man falsely accused whose trial exposed the deep-seated racism and injustice prevalent in Macomb society and becoming a central figure in the novel's moral conflicts.
This slide presents the literary elements shaping the narrative. The genre blends two themes, the Southern Gothic and coming of age. The novel masterfully blends the eerie atmosphere, the mysterious characters, complex characters of the Southern Gothic literature, and with classical themes of self-discovery, moral growth. The narrative style is from the first-person perspective, told through the eyes of Scout Finch. This intimate narrative allows readers to experience Macomb's event with the youthful curiosity, evolving understanding, highlighting the journey of from innocence to insight. The tone is honest, reflective, and compassionate. Lee's writing maintains a sincere and empathetic tone, even when confronting harsh realities, inviting readers to reflect on human nature and societal flaws. The key symbols: the mockingbird symbolizes innocence, goodness, even though harmed by the evil and prejudice of the world. The Radley House represents the fear of the unknown, mystery, the dangers of the unfound rumors. The courthouse, a battleground where the truth clashes with the prejudice, and the ideals of the justice are tested.
So, when we come to the central themes of Killing a Bird is innocence, justice, and empathy. As its core, To Kill a Mockingbird is a profound exploration of racial justice and the destruction of innocence. Lee delves into the painful process through which children come to understand the harsh realities of the adult world. So there are three: moral education, class prejudice, empathy. So from the moral education, the guidance Atticus provides to Scout and Jem, teaching them to stand firm in their convictions and to see the world with an open mind. Class prejudice, the subtle yet rigid social hierarchy of Macomb, revealing how class status often intertwines with racial bias. Empathy, Atticus' enduring lesson: you never really understand a person until you consider things from his point of view, until you climb into his skin and walk around it. This enduring message of understanding and compassion serves as the novel's moral compass, guiding both its character and its readers towards a deeper sense of humanity.
So the theoretical lenses of unpacking deeper meanings. From a literary theory perspective, To Killing a Mockingbird offers fertile ground for analysis through multiple critical frameworks, reflecting its complex portrayal of human values and societal structures. Humanism. The novel champions dignity, fairness, and empathy, asserting these as universal human values that transcend social divides and personal prejudice. The novel's rich tapestry also invites further examination. Feminist lens. Scout's resistance to traditional gender roles and expectations, challenges to patriarchal norms prevalent in Macomb. The portrayal of female characters highlights the constraints and expectation placed upon women in the 1930s South. Social realism. Lee unflinchingly exposes the harsh social realities of racism and inequality in the American South during the Great Depression, providing a realistic depiction of injustice. Marxist criticism examines how class and economic status intersect with race to determine social standing and influence justice with Macomb's hierarchy. The evils, for instance, demonstrate how poverty and social marginalization can fuel prejudice and resentment.
About the author Harper Lee. Neely Harper Lee, a literary giant, was born and raised in Morneville, Alabama, a town that famously served as the inspiration for Macomb. Her personal experiences, including her father's legal career, deeply influenced her writing, particularly her debut novel, To Kill a Mockingbird, published in 1960, quickly became a sensation, winning the Pulitzer Prize in 1961. It cemented its place as a cornerstone of American literature, celebrated for its timeless morals, lessons, and compelling narrative. Lee later published Go Set a Watchman in 2015, an earlier draft of Mockingbird that offers a different perspective on its characters and themes. Enduring legacy, the timeless relevance of To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird stands a profound exploration of justice, morality, and human empathy. Its indelibly characters, particularly Atticus Finch, have transcended the pages to become enduring symbols of moral integrity and compensate adversary. The novel's unique blend of a child's perspective, a realistic southern setting, and powerful symbolism has cemented its place as one of the most influential works in modern literature. Its core message to fight injustice with understanding and compassion remains as relevant today as it was in the 1930s. Thank you.
எல்லாரும் வாங்கடா கருணிகா thank you everyone இரு அவ்வளோ வந்துட்டோம் கம் வா ஏதோ ஒன்று நில்லு வா எல்லாரும் thank you guys thank you ஏய் கை இங்க வச்சு பேசுறா thank you everyone
Thank you.